If you have a Ford with this trailer plug, here's how to replace it in under 2 minutes. First, order the part from your local Ford dealership. Now, all you gotta do is unplug the connector by pressing down this tab and just pulling off. Just inspect the connector in case this is also corroded. All you need for this job is a flathead screwdriver. So you need to pinch those metal tabs towards each other at the same time. So you can have two flathead screwdrivers and pinch them in at the same time, or work one side and then work the other side out, and eventually it'll just pop out once both tabs are pushed in fully to allow the trailer plug to be pushed out of the bumper. So I now got it free, and all he does is just push out. You just gotta push it out of there. Now I was doing this one-handed, holding a camera. I installed this just from the other side while I was under there, and it just pops right in. It's really nice when you get OEM because it always fits and it always works. So that's why I like buying OEM for certain things. And now once that's installed, you just do an extra tug to make sure it's all the way in there, and all you gotta do is plug it back in. And if this helped replace the trailer plug on your newer Ford F-350 Super Duty, then don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content.